The hard money lending industry has seen plenty of changes in the last 5 years, and as the capital markets loosen up, there are more changes to come. With new and inexperienced players entering the market, Glen Weinberg, COO of Fairview Commercial Lending, cautions mortgage originators to be careful with the lenders they do business with, beginning by doing their research on the borrower and the hard money lender.
Understand the deal. Be able to easily explain and answer simple questions. Make sure you understand the general property. I mean, is this an ice cream stand or is this a gold mine?
In such a unique industry, it's also important to understand property types, what each lender does, and that each has their own niche.
The property type. When you're looking at a lender, certain lenders specialize in certain transaction types. Just make sure you understand what each lender does because it is a unique industry.
Weinberg says one mistake mortgage originators make is focusing on deals that don't fit lender limitations and aren't going to close.
Every lender's seen them all. For example, there's a guy who's trying to get a $100 million ranch closed. I've seen the deal 50 times, still hasn't closed, and probably will never close. Focus on those deals that'll close, that fit the lender's parameters.
Compensation can vary based on transaction ties and a number of factors, Weinberg says. But if you've done your homework, these unique transactions will be worth your time.
Typically, hard money transactions are very profitable to brokers. And the reason is these transactions are not run-of-the-mill transactions. For example, a borrower can't shop to 100 people for an SBA type loan. I mean, these are all unique transactions. They've all got a twist, and they're all going to take effort in order to get closed. And as a result, brokers are compensated very well, typically, for private lending transactions or hard money transactions.
Weinberg encourages mortgage originators to associate with the right lenders to make sure you're not wasting your time and understand who the real lender is to best protect your client and yourself.
As a broker, you've really got to understand who the real lender is in order to protect your client. Make sure you associate with lenders like that so that you can get more transaction closed and you aren't wasting your time on deals that will never close.